Here is the key event for the year that is coming to an end. Pocket Option has announced that they are launching a massive New Year contest where every step is calculated and the chances of winning are higher than ever before. Prize pool, $500,000. Among the rewards are an iPhone 17 Pro Max, Lenovo and MacBook laptops, PlayStation 5 and Xbox gaming consoles, and even a Steam Deck. There's a total of 325 prizes to be won, and each of these will be given to a real contestant who meets the contest criteria. To become a contender, all you need is one successful account top-up in 2025 using my promo code. And be sure to confirm your participation on the promotional page by clicking the I'm in button when you top up your account. If you don't, the system won't add you to the list. After that, you go into a general list of participants where an internal algorithm will eventually select the winners. Everything is automated and there is no human interaction. The equivalent of the prizes will be deposited straight into your trading account with no deliveries and no intermediaries. The year 2025 has been a year of growth and strengthening for our trading community. The contributions of every participant is part of our shared success. Let it be our community members who claim the maximum number of prizes. Stay active. The more deposits you make, the higher your chances of winning. I've prepared promo codes for you and I'm taking part alongside with you. For 2026, I wish you all firm decisions, clear focus, and a strong start.